Hello everyone, this is Anuj from Gadget Kick. Couple of years back we showed you the most affordable video editing software which you can use to start editing your videos in a quick and easy way. And that was the Movavi Video Editor Plus. And recently this editing software got an update and there are a lot of new features and the version name is the Movavi Video Editor Plus 2021. And today in this video we will be showing you a quick tutorial on how to use this editing software. So here is the Movavi Video Editor Plus 2021. The workspace is really easy to understand, and here on the right side you have the preview window and on the left side you have the menu which includes import, filters, transitions, add text and stickers, and then the tool menu. Below it we have the timeline neatly categorized, and here we have the tracks for text, video and audio. You can also add more tracks as per your choice. So this was the workspace overview. Now let's go through the options one by one. So here we have the import menu, and you can simply import a file or import the whole folder. The media bin shows you your imported files, and then you get some pre-installed sound effects as well as music. And you also have some sample videos. I really like the number of sound effects and the sample videos you get in this editing software. Then you have some backgrounds and also the effect packages. The effect packages are not included in the standard version, and you can buy one from the effect store. For example, Click the Bell Icon pack has various lower thirds, which include social media callouts which are very useful for any YouTube creator. Now moving to the next menu, here we have the filters, and here you can see the filters are neatly categorized. You can use these filter effects on your videos to give them a nice look and feel. Now let me show you how they work. So let's import a few video clips. So here we have the videos imported, and to insert them in the timeline, just simply drag and drop. You can also double click to insert them into the timeline. And now you can see we have the video in the timeline. Once the video is there, you can select the part as per your choice. And you can also use the toolbar menu on the top to cut, rotate and crop the videos. Or you can simply use the shortcut keys. For example, for cut, it's the Ctrl+B. So now we have the video in the timeline, and we can drag and drop the filter effect to the video. And now hit the spacebar to see the preview. And guys, once you have the filter in the video, you will see this star icon. And from here, you can see the applied effects and change the settings if needed. So about the filter effects, I really like the options we have in the Movavi Video Editor Plus 2021. And they are really easy to use and apply. Now moving towards the transitions, here as well we have lot of options available. And there are a lot of new transition effects I can see in this year's update. The transitions are also categorized well, and to apply the transition, you have to do the same, which is drag and drop the transition between the two video clips. You can adjust the transition timing by clicking on the transition and then adjust as per your choice. And about the transitions, I find them really good, and you have a lot of transitions available in this package, which is definitely an advantage. And you can also download more from the effect store. Now moving to the next option, here we have the text titles. Without the text, the videos are incomplete. And here you can see the available text titles, and you have a lot of options available. Adding the text title is also simple. Just drag and drop the title to the timeline and then edit as per your choice. You can change font, size and background from the settings. In the text menu, you also have the intro videos, which you can also customize as per your choice. And you can use these intro videos as your YouTube channel intro as well as in your home videos. Then in the menu we have the stickers, and like always, Movavi video editing software comes with lot of sticker options. And here in this, you get the static and the animated stickers. You can also animate a sticker by going to the tool menu. And here we have different video editing tools. Now let me show you first the animation feature. So once you select the sticker, you can see the easy animation, and you just need to drag and drop or double click on it. And then adjust the animation according to your preference. And that's it. It's really that simple. You can also go to the advanced animation option and then select the starting and the ending point and choose the opacity as well. Now looking at some other tools, then we have the color adjustment, and here we have some presets available. And I really like the Magic Enhance preset in this option. Apart from the presets, you can also use the advanced options to do the color adjustments manually. Then we have some other tools such as crop and rotate, overlay, which includes a picture in picture option, and then the stabilization, by which you can stabilize a shaky video. And guys, I use this stabilization a lot as sometimes my product B-rolls come shaky, and with this, I can stabilize them easily. And one thing which I have noticed here, that the stabilization takes very less time to apply on the clip. Apart from that, we have the chroma key tool, which allows you to change the background if you're using a green screen. And then we have the scene detection, which auto cuts the clip if it detects the scene change. The logo tools allows you to place the logo in the entire video. And apart from the video editing tools, here we have some audio editing tools. And here you can use a sync option, which auto syncs the audio if you do the voiceover separately. And then we have the preset equalizer, noise removal tool, and the other audio effects. So overall, in terms of the features and layout, I really find the Movavi Video Editor Plus 2021 really easy to use. And if you're a beginner and want to learn video editing for your personal or professional use, then this editing software is a very good option. I'm using this editing software for quite some time, and believe me, it's really easy to understand and use it. The features you're getting are one of the best, and you're getting a lot of customization. You can use this editing software to edit your home videos, or like me, if you're also a creator, then you will love how easy it is to edit the videos using the Movavi Video Editor Plus 2021. Now lastly, about the export options. First of all, the rendering take very less time, but it also depends upon the computer you're using. But with my 2017 MacBook Pro, it was taking almost half the time of the video clip, which is also very good. And about the export options, you can export the raw file or select the device for which you are exporting the video. And guys, you can also upload your final video directly to YouTube, Vimeo, and Google Drive. And just to let you know, I have edited this entire video using this editing software, and the output is very good. Movavi Video Editor Plus 2021 is available for both Windows and Mac, and you can download it for free from the link in the description below. You will get a 7 days trial period, and if you like it and want to buy the full version, then check the discount code in the description below. So that's it guys, this was the overview of the Movavi Video Editor Plus 2021. Let us know if you like this video, and also if you have any queries or questions about this editing software, then do let us know in the comment section below. So that's all for now. If you like this video, then please press the like button and subscribe to our channel Gadget Geek for more videos like this. Once again, this is Anuj signing off, and I'll see you in the next one.